In today's video, I'll teach you how to make these 3 PowerPoint slides that went viral on Instagram and TikTok. I'm using PowerPoint from Microsoft 365. But first, I know a lot of my followers are always looking for websites to find assets, such as images, fonts, or graphic elements to use in their presentation. So let me show you something. There's a website called Kittl.com that has a lot of templates that you can use. And not only for presentations, you can also make logos, art prints, wallpapers, etc. Let me show you how it works. You basically create a new project and then define the artboard size. I'm going to create a cover slide for my presentation, so I'll choose 1920 by 1080 pixels. On the left hand side you have an option called templates, with pre-made graphics that you can copy and paste into your own project. So let's say I like this one. I'll just click on it and it will be inserted next to my artwork. Now I just need to copy and paste the elements and rearrange them however I like on my own artboard. The fonts are editable as well, and you don't need to install anything externally, so I'll just copy and paste the text and change the words to whatever I like. Next, I'll add an image. If you click on the image icon on the left, you can choose from their library of photos or click on Kittl AI images for a selection of AI generated images. If you don't like any of the options or are looking for something more specific, click on the image generator icon and describe your image. You'll get an AI generated image in seconds. When you insert an image, a panel will appear where you can remove the background by clicking on AI Background Remover, or vectorize the image, which means that now you can change the colors, adjust the opacity, or add a shadow to match your design very quickly. When you're done, just click on download, select your output, and you're finished. They have a free plan that lets you work on 20 projects. Or they also have paid plans that start from $10 a month with features such as commercial licenses and advanced AI features. I'll leave the link in the description box of this video so you can try it out along with the code to get 25% off any paid plans. Thank you Kittl for sponsoring today's video, and now I'll show you how I made my viral PowerPoints. And I'll just start by inserting an image that takes the whole area of the slide. Then you're gonna go to shapes, select a rectangle and make it cover the whole area as well. And first I'm gonna get rid of the outline, so go to shape outline and select no outline, and then select the color black for the shape fill. Now let's go to insert and select a text box. I'm just gonna add it to the middle of the slide like this. I'm going to change the font to one of my favorite fonts called Anton. I'll center align the text and increase the size to a very large size. Just type in the number that you like for the size and just press enter, and that's how you get very large fonts. I'm just going to increase the size a little bit more. Now, holding shift on your keyboard, you're going to select the rectangle first and then the text. Then go to merge shapes and click on combine. And now you'll have kind of this cutout of the text. Right click on the shape and then on format shape. And on this panel, we're just gonna go to fill and increase the transparency a little bit. And then we're gonna duplicate this slide with Ctrl D. And on this slide, we're gonna make a few changes. So zoom out and we're gonna enlarge the shape just like this. So what we're trying to do is to have all the text outside of the slide and just to have some sort of black overlay on the image. Okay, great. So now on this area, you can add whatever you like, some text, some images. And when you're done, just select all of your content and copy it with Ctrl C. Go to the first slide and paste it with Ctrl V. And then you're gonna move it down outside of the slide. Okay, amazing. So now for the effect, you just have to click on the second slide, go to transitions and apply Morph. And that's how quickly you can make this viral PowerPoint slide. Moving on to the second slide, we're gonna go to shapes and select a rounded rectangle. And let's just put it here on the right hand side of the slide. With the yellow dot here at the top, we're gonna round off the corners. And then holding Ctrl on your keyboard, you're gonna drag the shape to the left to duplicate it. And I'll just repeat the process a couple of times and make some of them shorter than the others. To make sure that they're distributed evenly, I'm going to select all of them by holding Shift on my keyboard, then go to the alignment panel here at the top and select distribute horizontally. Now let's go to shapes and select a rectangle. And we're going to cover the whole area of the slide like this. Now right click on the rectangle and then on send to back, so it's behind those shapes that we did at the beginning. Amazing. So now we're gonna select everything. Next, go to shape format, click on merge shapes, and you're gonna select subtract. I'm going to get rid of the outline, so click on outline and select no outline, and then go to shape fill and select the color white. And now it looks like we don't have anything on the slide, but we actually have a mask. So now you're going to paste an image that takes the whole right area of the slide. Then go to animations, click on path animations, and you're going to select a line. From the effect options, you're going to change it to right. And then let's go to start and change to with previews. If you click on the animation pane button, here you can play the animation. And it doesn't look very impressive at the moment, but if you right click on the image and send it back behind our mask, then when you preview the animation, you'll see how cool this effect looks. If you feel like the animation is going too fast, just click on the item from the animation pane, then go to timing and change the duration to 5 seconds. Okay, so let's preview the animation again, and I think this will work better. Okay, amazing. So the last thing that we need to do is to add our content on the left-hand side of the slide like this, and you're pretty much done with the second viral slide. Alright, so for the third one, you're gonna start inserting an image that takes the whole area of the slide. Then you're gonna go to shapes and select a rectangle, and let's add it to the bottom half of the slide like this. Then you're gonna go to insert and select a text box. We're gonna add it to this area right here. And just like the first slide that we did, we're gonna change the font to a bold font like Anton, which is the one that I use the most probably. And let's make it larger like this. So now you can write your word. Here I'm just gonna put Egypt. And then holding Shift on your keyboard, you're gonna select the rectangle first and then the text. Go to shape format, then click on merge shapes, and you're gonna click on subtract. Okay, amazing. So now you're gonna right click on the shape and click on format shape. And on this panel on the right, we're gonna make some changes. So first, let's get rid of the outline by selecting no outline, and then go to fill and select a gradient fill. You can drag down all the stops that you don't need. We only need 2. And first I'm going to change the color of the right handle to a dark brown. So I'm just going to pick the eyedropper tool and select one from the image. Here you can adjust if you want it lighter or darker. And for the one on the left, it doesn't matter what color it is, just increase the transparency to 100%. By moving them closer to each other, you can change kind of the gradient. And I actually think I'm gonna make it a little bit darker so it stands out a little bit more. Okay, amazing. That's too easy. So now you can add your content on this area right here. And then we're gonna select everything but the image, group it with right click and group or the shortcut Ctrl G. And we're gonna add an animation. So just click on animations. And we'll have to look at some more entrance effects. So just click on this arrow right here and we're going to select float in. Finally, let's go to the start options and select with previews and you're done. That's how easy you can make these 3 viral PowerPoint slides. If you like them, leave a thumbs up. You can download the files for these slides on my website. The link is in the description box of this video. And why not check these other 2 tutorials? I think you might like them. I'll see you soon.